Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and today I will show you a simple way to improve your posture in just a few minutes a day. Many people sit for long hours and slowly begin to lean forward without noticing. What is surprising is that when your head moves just 1 inch forward, it can add about 10 pounds of extra strain on your neck and upper back. This is why so many people feel tightness and discomfort, even after getting massages or adjustments. The real issue often comes from something called fascia. Fascia is a soft tissue that surrounds your muscles and helps shape your body. It adjusts to the positions you stay in most often, especially sitting and leaning forward. The good news is that you can gently retrain your body. Start with a simple stretch. Hold a band, stick, or even a broom behind your head. Keep your shoulders back, then slowly bend to one side and then the other. Do this about 10 times each side. This helps open your chest and release the tight areas pulling you forward. Another helpful stretch is raising your arms overhead while standing with your feet apart. Move side to side slowly while keeping your shoulders aligned over your hips. This lengthens your back muscles and opens your rib cage. You can also try crossing one leg over the other and reaching your arm overhead in the opposite direction. This stretch works along the side of your body, including your hips and ribs, improving flexibility. If you have access to a sturdy bar, hang from it for about 30 seconds. Let your body relax and stretch. This helps release tension in your shoulders, back, and neck. Finally, kneel down, place your hands behind you, and gently arch backward while looking up. This stretch opens the front of your body, including your hips, stomach, and chest, helping reverse that forward posture. When the front of your body is tight, it pulls you forward like a stretched rubber band. But once you release that tension, sitting upright becomes natural and comfortable. With just a few minutes each day, you can feel lighter, looser, and more balanced. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Gentle Health so you can continue learning simple ways to take better care of your body.